Welcome to US 30 Grind, your hub for mastering the markets. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful indices in the world. The US 30 Index is a major player in the market. Also known as the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the US 30 is a stock market index that tracks 30 of the largest and most influential, publicly traded companies in the United States. It includes giants like Apple, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, and Boeing, giving traders a snapshot of the U.S. economy's overall health. Because of its blue-chip nature and strong historical performance, the US 30 is one of the most popular indices for traders and investors worldwide. The US 30 is highly sensitive to economic news and global events. Here are the key factors that move it. US economic data, like GDP, inflation, and jobs reports, Federal Reserve interest rate decisions, major geopolitical developments, and quarterly earnings reports from its 30-component company. These influences create volatility and opportunity for traders who understand how to interpret the news. There are several ways to trade or invest in the US 30. CFDs, contracts for difference, trade the index without owning the underlying stocks. Ideal for short-term speculators. Options trading, for more advanced traders looking to leverage or hedge US 30 exposure. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, like the SPD or Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, ticker DIA, which mirrors the index's performance. Each method offers different levels of risk, capital requirements, and flexibility, whether you're a beginner or building your edge. Understanding the US 30 can open up a world of trading opportunities. When I first started trading, I thought all I needed was a good strategy, but I quickly learned the hard way your biggest enemy in the markets isn't your strategy, it's your emotions. In my early days, I was constantly chasing trades. I'd open a position, and if it moved a few points against me, I'd panic and close it out only to watch it go in my favor right after. That was fear. Fear of losing. Fear of being wrong. And when I had a few wins, that's when greed kicked in. I would over-leverage thinking I was invincible. I would forget risk management. I would ignore my plan till one good trade would turn into 5 bad ones. It wasn't until I took a step back and really analyzed my decisions that I realized what was driving them. Fear and greed. We've all heard the saying, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. But in my case, I was being greedy when I should have been fearful, and fearful when I should have been greedy. If I could go back in time, I wouldn't change a thing, because every loss, every mistake taught me a valuable lesson. It made me who I am today. A better trader, a more disciplined trader. You see, trading is more than just charts and indicators. It's a battle between your mind and your emotions. And trust me, the markets will test you. They will push you to your limits. So here's my advice to you. If you're just starting out, master your emotions. It's more important than mastering any chart pattern or trading strategy. Every trader feels fear, greed, and impatience. The key is not to eliminate them, but to manage them. Stick with the process. Control your mind and the profits will follow. This chart is a reminder of that for me, a visual representation of my journey from fear to greed and ultimately to acceptance, because in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, crypto, or forex. What truly matters is the battle within. So embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and above all, control your emotions. With that said, I'll leave you with this. If you're looking for a challenge, try trading without using your emotions. You won't find a more exhilarating journey. Now go out there and conquer the markets. Make me proud and subscribe to US 30 Grind, because the real journey starts within.